I just fed a goat a dandelion head.
Oh, I better bring it.
I was just like...
Hey there, Shalaco here. I'm in Idaho visiting my friends Johnny and Katie on their goat farm, and it's super exciting because they just had a bunch of baby goats. Let me introduce you guys.
Hi, I'm John Richard.
And I'm Katie
We're in Glens Ferry, Idaho.
at Galloping Gertie's Goatery. Aurora, watch out. And watch out for Opal Rose.
Who are you and where am I?
I don't know the answer to that question, sorry.
Can you tell us the names of all your goats?
Yes, I can. This is Maurice. Over here we have Myrtle and Juniper. And that one right there is Granite. And that's Grist. And that's Opal Rose. And we have Azalea, Aster, and Arnica. We have Josie Pearl, who's a jerk, in her babysitting bowl. That's Maurice again. Let's go this way where the rest of them are. So again, that's Juniper, who adopted Myrtle, not her real daughter, but they're a family now. That's Griselda, and Guinevere, and Ganymede. Pickle the dog, the biggest helper on the farm. This is Ileorum, named after the woman from the famous Comstock Lode in Virginia City, Nevada. This is her daughter, Beulah, named after Julia Bulette, one of the famous ladies of the evening in Virginia City. And here we have Big Fat Aurora. And this is Emerald, and her daughter Barry, or her son Barry. Oops. This is Clementine. And this one right here is Martha Jane, named after her grandmother Calamity Jane. This is Perseus, that's Ernie. This one right here is Pecos Bill. We have Agnes. That one's Mace. We have Simon. We have Dorothy, Cordelia, Winifred, Annie Oakley, Hans and Franz. There's Eiley again. Alice over here. We've got Greta. We've got Olga, Sapphire, Myra May, who's named after Myra Maybelle Shirley Reed Starr of the Notorious Woman of the Old West. On the swing we have Olivine. Over there we've got Agatha and Phineas and Titus and Thistle and Rosemary. And I think that's almost all of them.
Wow. Has anyone told you that you're a geeky goat girl?
Not in so many words, but yeah, basically. I was just a geek, then I got goats. Adds up.
Where do you get your inspiration for the names?
Gertie was our first baby girl goat. And the first baby girl goat I ever held was Gertie, so Galloping Gertie. She galloped into our hearts.
And then is there a system to how you name them now?
Well, it's all based on the oldest matriarchs of each line, so Millicent, all her kids have old-timey 1800s names, you know. Josie Pearl is a Wild West name, so all her babies have Wild West figures, mostly notorious, not just famous. And Opal Rose has rocks and plants. Opal and Rose.
Clever.
Gotta remember somehow. It's a lot of names.
Right, I love naming conventions.
I can name at least 10. Four that I didn't see in there, and 6 that are at Pack Goat Camp right now.
How many goats do you have?
55.
And you must be really good at remembering people's names, huh?
Mm-mm. But I don't ever remember anyone's name ever. If I've known them for years, I have no idea what their name is.
But you remember all the goats' names?
Yeah.
Is that typical for people to name their goats on a farm?
I don't know, but people always ask me if I name them. I'm like, well, of course. Like, they have such personalities. Like, maybe if I had sheep, I wouldn't know all their names, but goats are ridiculous.
See, I feel like you really it's like your goat fam.
Totally.
So then, was it like an afterthought that you started making these beauty products from your farm?
Well, yeah, it's an excuse to have baby goats.
So,
They gotta earn their keep somehow.
So if you want to bring a little piece of Katie's goat farm home with you, you can check out her Etsy, which we'll link below, and you can find, I don't know, tell me about this stuff.
Oh, we've got everything. I have everything from goat milk hand cream, goat milk soap, goat milk lotion, body butter, brand new salted goat milk caramels with other local farms involved.
Those are amazing. I had one. I didn't know what a goat milk caramel was, nor that milk was in a caramel. I was like a little apprehensive. Amazing.
Oh, there's some crack in there too.
Oh, that explains it. Do you make all this packaging yourself? Because the design is super great on these.
Yes, I do, and I had no idea how to do graphic design, so I just kind of figured it out on GIMP over time.
So here's a little sample here. That one's spicy. Choom! These are delicious goat milk caramels. Yum. Should we eat one?
Sure.
This isn't an ad. I wasn't paid for this. I just like this so damn much. Will you split one with me?
Sure.
Okay, let's try this out. It's soft. Ugh. Oh my god. Oh wow. We have like caramel stores in San Francisco that aren't that good.
They don't have the goat love. It's all about the love.
It's so soft. Of this one. It says it's for her, but I bet it's non-gender specific.
It's for everyone.
Yeah, this is great. I'll like and 2 in 1. This one looks like a bundt cake.
It's got scrubby poppy seeds and unsprayed lemon rind.
It's got what?
My friend brings me his lemons from his backyard in San Francisco, and I grate the lemon peel and dry it out and use it in there so there's not chemicals sprayed on it.
Mm-hmm. It's got unsprayed lemon rind. Oh, that's so good. Did Phoenix get one of these?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay, I'm gonna need 3 of those.
I think a bunch of mini ones.
This one's the spicy one. So spice. And then these are the goat milk hand creams. Hand cream. Oh, I just love that lavender lemongrass combo. She doesn't sell beard oil, but if you take the hand cream and put it in your beard, it smells delicious. She just doesn't want to talk to people about their beards. So she doesn't market it as a beard
I'll talk
oil.
to you about goat beards, because those are cool, because lady goats have beards based on how important they are. They have a larger beard.
All right, it's time for some goat facts.
Oh god, there's so many goat facts.
What you got?
The herd queen, I had to look this up because I was worried my goat might have arthritis or something was wrong with her legs, because her ankles and knees were clicking when she walked. You know, like when you crack your knuckles. Mm-hmm. And I looked it up, and it's because she's the herd queen. They make that sound so the goats know who to follow.
Tap dancing goats lead the way. Who knew? So this is amazing, and if you want to take a piece of Katie's farm home with you, you can with these wonderful beauty products from her farm. You can check out her Etsy and her website, linked below. And what if I didn't get my fill of baby goats in this video?
You can go to Instagram and follow all the real live baby goats with daily live videos. There's pictures, there's stories about what's happened on the farm, what's gone wrong, what's gone right, what's cute, what's not cute.
So if you need your baby goat fix, go check out our Instagram where you can see all the baby goats and watch them grow up.
And you can even adopt a crocheted baby goat to take home with you if you can't keep a live pooping goat in your apartment.
See? A little goat for everyone. Well, thanks for having us, Katie.
Anytime.
Thanks for coming along on a little venture to Galloping Gertie's goat farm. If you're new here, I'm Shalaco, and if you enjoy going on adventures like these, you can subscribe. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button to validate my worthiness into culture.
To validate my worthiness.
Smash like! Smash like! Smash like!
I've been a real bad boy on
I caught a goat. Look, he's so cute. How do you hold a goat?